You know what genuinely melts my brain? Watching people jump into the stock market like they're speed running a video game while their credit card balance is quietly charging 24% interest in the background. It's basically the financial version of trying to win a race while someone is tying bricks to your shoes. And yet, people do this every single day. I see comments like, should I put my savings into AI stocks? Is this the next crypto that'll 100x? Should I buy options? Meanwhile, their credit card is sitting there like, bro, you still owe me $6,200. That's like upgrading to a gaming PC while your electricity bill hasn't even been paid. My name is Carrie, and I spend way too much time studying money, investing, and why people keep trying to build wealth in the most chaotic way possible. So, if you want to learn the smart order to invest your money, instead of chasing whatever trend is blowing up on social media this week, consider subscribing. Because the truth is simple. There is a correct order to investing your money, and most people are doing it completely backwards.